Welcome to LanguageVector. In today's lesson, we'll dive into possessive pronouns, words that show ownership or belonging. Possessive pronouns replace nouns to show that something belongs to someone. They help us avoid repeating the noun over and over. My, your, his, her, its, our, their, and whose are all possessive pronouns. Here are the examples. This book is mine. Is this your pen? Their house is big. Differentiating possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives. Possessive pronouns stand alone and replace the noun. Example. This book is mine. Mine, the possessive pronoun. Possessive adjectives modify the noun and must be followed by a noun. Example. This is my book. My is possessive adjective. Common mistakes. Use mine, not myself, to show ownership. The book is myself. This is wrong. The correct one is. The book is mine. Here are the examples. That book on the table is mine. Is this jacket yours, or did someone else leave it behind? The decision to pursue further studies was entirely his. The victory was theirs after a long and challenging match. We'll explore reflexive pronouns. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching.